Managing multiple streams of income can be both rewarding and challenging. To effectively handle diverse income sources, consider the following strategies. First, organize your finances. It's wise to keep separate bank accounts for each income stream to track earnings and expenses accurately. Also, use accounting software or tools to manage your finances, categorize income, and monitor cash flow. Second, create a budget. Develop a budget that outlines your monthly expenses, savings goals, and investments. Allocate a portion of each income stream to specific financial goals, emergency funds, and personal expenses. Third, diversify your income streams. Have a mix of active and passive income sources to reduce dependency on any single stream. Also, explore various income streams such as investments, freelancing, rental income, dividends, and online businesses. And remember to do your due diligence. The fourth thing to do is automate your finances. Automate bill payments, savings transfers, and investments to avoid missed deadlines and late fees. Set up automatic transfers to savings accounts or investment portfolios for long-term goals. Once again, when it comes to your finances, always do your due diligence. You can avoid so much hassle if you do. Fifth on the list, an emergency fund. Maintain an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net during emergencies. Always have a backup plan. Alright, so here is a quick recap of what we have so far. We have covered organize finances, create budget, diversify your streams, automate your finances and create an emergency fund. Staying organized is the sixth box to check off of the list. Make sure to always keep track of payment schedules, deadlines, and tax obligations for each income source. Also use digital tools and calendars to set reminders for invoice due dates, tax filing deadlines, and other financial commitments. Being organized is one of the most important things you should do to be successful in business. The seventh thing to do is invest wisely. Diversify your investments across different assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Take the time to really learn about this step. It could really help you in your success. Always continuing to learn is eighth on the list. Stay updated with industry trends, investment opportunities, and new income streams. Invest in learning new skills that can enhance your existing income sources and open new doors. Ninth is the old dreaded, and almost hated words, planning for taxes. Understand the tax implications of each income source and plan your finances accordingly. Paying your taxes is part of the game, so take it seriously. Keep records of income, expenses, and deductions for tax purposes. Consider working with a tax professional to optimize your tax strategy. Messing up on taxes can create some real headaches, which are really easily avoidable. Managing your work-life balance is the 10th and very important thing. Maintain a healthy work-life balance to prevent burnout. Allocate specific time slots for each income stream and prioritize self-care. You come first. The 11th and final item on the list is to regularly review and adjust the plan. Regularly review your financial goals, income sources, and expenses. The finance world is a very fast-paced and always changing environment. Make adjustments based on changes in your life, market conditions, or financial objectives. Always keep a keen eye out for any changes or events that might affect your income streams. By following these guidelines and staying organized, you can effectively manage multiple streams of income and work towards achieving your financial goals. Good luck on your journey to making money online. Stay tuned, or subscribe to this channel to get future videos and the latest ideas on how to make money online. New videos will be released in the coming days and weeks, so don't miss out. Feel free to browse the channel for more videos on topics like this. We look forward to providing you with more quality content in the future. Thank you for watching.